I could be anywhere, doing anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my head?
Yeah.
Hi
guys, we left
every second thought where the setup is, but how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be with you.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today I'm about to go to the South Island for a South Island road trip. Yay! I'm with my family. I told them to be quiet, which is why you can't hear anything. We're about to take the Blue Bridge ferry, which is right over there. And our first stop is Picton, and then we're driving to Greymouth, and then from there we're gonna go around the South Island. And yeah, I'll bring you guys along. Hope you enjoy watching, and see you on the ferry. We're out. It's so windy. Hi, we made it out of the ship and we're in Picton now. Where are we? We're at Snout's Track, and look at the view. Beautiful, beautiful. We're currently walking to get dinner in Picton. As soon as we checked in, I knocked out. I took a fat nap and I'm still really tired, but I think I'm just hungry now. Ribs. You guys know how much I love ribs. Good morning guys, it's day 2 and we're driving to Greymouth right now, but we're gonna take a few stops. We're gonna go to a lake, and we're also gonna go to Pancake Rocks and Fuller Gorge Swing Bridge, which is where I did a zip line last time I went. It takes 4.5 hours to drive to Greymouth. We are at a lake.
Not that. That's not a lake.
Oh. We're about to walk around the lake, and it's currently 11 degrees and I'm kind of cold. We're at the world's longest swing bridge. Wow, look. That's this. Oh my god, wait, why are the holes kind of big? I'm gonna stop the recording because I'm scared I'm gonna drop this in the river. Wow. That's where the water used to be. Now the water's all the way down there. Guys, we made it to the Pancake Rocks and we're eating food first because we haven't had lunch and it's 2:49 p.m. They serve famous pancakes here. Me and Haley are sharing chocolate pancakes and loaded wedges, and I'm so excited. At the Pancake Rocks now. This reminds me of when Hella killed Thor's father. Yeah. Guys, we are in Greymouth now at our accommodation. We're gonna be cooking dinner tonight. This is why we have all of this stuff here. I think we're gonna have Japanese curry. Quick tour. A bed here. And then a bunk bed. Wow, so young. Please. Why, thank you. Wow, guys. We made it to the beach. Haley's finding rocks that remind her of her friends. Wow, this is so beautiful.
That's crazy.
Good morning, guys. We're currently driving to Shanty town. Allegedly gonna be bless you. There's allegedly gonna be thunderstorms at 3 p.m. today, which kind of sucks, but it's okay.
Is that a chicken?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is not a chicken.
What the heck?
Turkey? A goose? A duck goose? A goose? We may or may not be lost, but we're just following the path, so hopefully it leads us back to the entrance. There are a lot of flies, but no, it's fine. I think we'll be fine.
2 seconds later.
Is this a dead end? Okay, at least it's not a dead end, you know, like that's a good part. See, look at how overgrown this path is, guys. At least it looks cool. Hopefully we get out. This is freaky. We're at a beach now. It's really grey and cloudy, but sand looks nice. Wow. We're about to walk along the Hokitika Gorge, an hour and 30-minute walk, but I think the view should be good because we're walking along the river. Wow. We got a lemonade. Look at what I've got for desserts. Hi guys, it's day 3. It's raining really hard, which kind of sucks because we were gonna do like a lot of walks today, but we'll still drive there and see if it's still raining. But first we're gonna go to a treetop walk, which is pretty cool because I like trees. And then we're gonna drive to Fox Glacier because that's our next destination, and we're gonna be staying there for 2 nights. We're at a stopover, and this river looks really pretty. It has like stones and it's blue. And look at the sky, it's blue. Like, look at that. Hey. Guys, I'm going in. Alright.
Really nice.
Oh my god, the water is so cold. Hey. It's time to see who can throw the rock the furthest.
Come on, guys.
Okay, thanks for filming. We're at a cafe in Franz Joseph getting lunch. I got a Coke. I got an innocent and cranberry pie. We're gonna walk the Franz Joseph to see the glacier now. Here's the glacier. We're at Fox Glacier. This is our little cabin. Wow, it's cute. Good morning, guys. Look at this view. That's so pretty. We're on our way to eat breakfast.
Bruh.
Today is day 5 and we're going on 2 walks. We're here. Haley tried to say recommended, but she said recommended. Wow, guys, the lake isn't very reflective today, but it's still very pretty. We're at a cafe now. I'm getting a chai latte.
Come red or hot.
There's dolphins somewhere. Guys, there was a dolphin, I swear. Oh, there, out in the very far. That thin. Wow. Time to eat. Fox Glacier walk time. It's just a bit misty and drizzling, but it's okay. Got Daniel Caesar playing in my right ear. I'm gonna go here and then see the glacier and back. I've come across a warm spring.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Don't fall. Oh, wait, it's so warm. Look at that. I don't see a glacier, guys, but I think it's supposed to be here. I can feel the cold air. Hey guys, we're back from our walk and I just wanted to show you what I got from Lake Matheson because they had a gift shop and they had really pretty earrings that I could not resist buying. But they're flowers. They're really small. They have like a little bit of pink in them and they're so cute. So I'm gonna put them on. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna go help make dinner now. Hi guys, we left Fox Glacier this morning and we're at a pit stop now. We're currently driving to Queenstown, but look at this view at this pit stop. Wow, and it's so sunny today. Like, hey guys, we're at pit stop number 2. The water is so blue and beautiful. That is an insane view. There's a waterfall after the waterfall, you know. We're at Blue Pools. This is so blue and pretty. We're at Wanna Canal. Guys, we made it to Queenstown. We're actually staying a bit further away from Queenstown. I think all the accommodation was booked, but this is a really nice place. And over here, a little kitchen area. Pretty nice. We're in the city now. We're gonna get dinner. Haley's Oreo milkshake. Ooh, not bad. You know, the waiter came over holding the milkshake and he was like, "What Oreo milkshake?" And he immediately looked at Haley. He just knew that it was her. I'm so hungry. Are our pizzas gonna fit on this table? Our table is so crowded. This is the chicken and cranberry and brie. Oh, it's hot guys. It's so good. This is the one with bacon and mushroom. We're getting ice cream now, but the line is so long. Good morning! We're in our second day at Queenstown, our last day. Today, honestly, like, we're just eating a lot of good food because we're gonna get Ferg burger and then we're gonna go to Flame Bar and Grill, which is like ribs, and I really love ribs. Oh, milk chow latte. We're waiting for Ferg burger. The line is so long. We're ordering 111. Guys, I got the Ferg burger with brie cheese. Oh my god, the duck! He's got cream on his face. We were gonna walk up the gondola mountain, which allegedly takes 1.5 hours long, even though you're scaling a freaking mountain, but we decided we wanted like chill a bit more. So we're going on a nice walk around the lake, and it's so sunny and nice. Hi, we found a garden and there's a very lovely tree. It's like a canopy, but the tree made it. And it was planted on the 12th of May 1937, which, fun fact, is my sister's birthday. Our dinner reservation is at 5:45, so we've got a bit of time to kill, but this is a very, very peaceful garden, so I'm happy to be here. Good morning, guys. Today we are leaving Queenstown and we're heading to Glenorchy to see the sights. But right now we're at this lookout and look at these mountains. Fit check. Okay, we're heading into the woods now. Guys, we're cherry picking. We found the white cherries. White cherry.
Can I go pick some? Can I go past you?
Hi guys, I'm on a ladder. And these cherries are so good. The temptation to eat them is so large. You have to twist them from the root so that they can grow again. Oh! Now we're picking some purple cherries. Got a cherry and raspberry real fruit ice cream. Yum. I'm not sure which walk we're gonna do. This is the Hooker Valley track. The last time we did this was in 2021 winter and the lake at the end was frozen over. This is a blueberry lavender ice cream. It's like lavender. I think this is quite nice too. This is better. Yeah. I can really taste the lavender in mine. It's not bad. I think we should get some. This is a brie and cheese. Brie and chicken with pesto. We're at Lake Tekapo. We're getting dinner at our accommodation. Three, two, one. Bring this. So sweet. Apparently they filmed The Lord of the Rings here at this mountain. We're conquering Mount Sunday and it's that little one over there. We're so close. There's so much rabbit poop.
Yeah.
After this, we've got a 2.5-hour drive to Christchurch. And then we're staying 2 nights there, and then we're driving back to Picton to take the ferry home. We're in Christchurch now. I forgot to update, but we're at Riverside Market having breakfast. Today I think we're going to walk the Botanic Gardens. Guys, this mountain shape right here is the same as that mountain shape. Boom. It's like the same swoop.
We're in the Botanic Gardens. I have a sunburn on my head, so I switched to a temporary side part. Guys, look at what I have. I've waited centuries for this. I got a lamb soup latte. Guys, I'm so hungry, I'm shaking.